This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look here at the US dollar, and we're going to take a look here at the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, buy the ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the old Dixie, the old US dollar here, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, you can see where this basically sold right off here very, very nicely down to this 99.57. But if you look on a weekly chart, it never did hit this 200 SMA here, sitting at right now at 98.50. You put in a double bottom right here, rallied up, kind of faked everybody, and then boom, all the way down. It looked like it was going to sell off, but the next day you had a nice green candle and then rallying ever since. Now, let's just take a look at where we are. So where we are right now is your high today was 105.73. Now the next level here is going to be right here, okay? So this is 105.88. So very, very close today, 105.88 versus 105.73. So question is that where it's going to stop? Because look at all the resistance right here along with it. Or is it going to bust through? Now, if it busts through, well, then what we have to do is we just have to start looking at these candles on the left. So you want to look at this candle here. Now, if you look at the closing number, it's 106.96. Then we look at this candle right here. Okay, your high is 107.19. And then we have up here, you have 107.99. Okay, that's very, very strong. That would be the next level. So if you get above that, then we come to this candle right here. Okay, so you're looking at 109.29, and then we just follow these candles right on up here. Okay, so you have 109.97 here. We have 110.78, and then we just keep right on rolling here. You have 112.53. We have 112.88. We have 113.14, and then your big retest up here is 114.77. But the key is going to be a close above this candle right here at 105.88. So is it going to bust above it, or is it going to double top there and then sell down? Okay, that is the question. If it goes above, then we just follow the candles all the way on up. Now, on the downside here, you want to watch here. Let's go on the daily chart. Is we want to watch this key 8 SMA here. Okay, so basically you're looking at 105.11, and then right below that we have 104.53. Those are going to be your key support levels here. Okay, so where you can see this candle right here, 104.44, is pretty much in line. Okay, and that's going to be good support level here. Now, again, if it falls all the way on off here, well, then we just follow the candles, these candles here. You got 103.74 here, and then we can come down to your 200-day here, sitting at 103.08, and then we have your 103, basically 02 here on the downside. But, again, just watch this key 8 SMA here. That's going to be crucial, and then watch your 21. That's going to be very, very crucial. Now, here on your weekly chart here, well, you can see how your 8-day here, it's just moving up really nice. And now it's crossed above the 100, your 21-day, and now your 50-day. So that's going to be very key support level. And then we have your 50-day race standing right there at the same spot at 104.08. So this is going to provide very, very key support here. But you can see here how strong this dollar is as it came right on off here. Okay, so now let's take a look here at the New Zealand dollar. Okay, here we have the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. Now you can see how actually I'm going to show you another chart after this, compare the New Zealand dollar to the actual dollar, and you guys can see where the difference, where this is just going in opposite directions. So you had a nice good topping out right here at 0.638 here, and then she just rocketed right on down. So let's just look at now your support levels here. So what we want to do is we want to look at this 21 SMA here at 0.591 here, your 8 SMA here at 0.591 here. Very, very crucial. Now, again, if that's lost, then we come to this candle right here. Look at the bottom of today, 0.595. 5, and then we can just take these candles all the way on down here. Okay, you have 0.587, and then your big retest here is 0.585. that needs to hold. If not, you can go much lower. So when you look and see it better here on a weekly here, if you can't hold this key price channel here at that 0.5858, then you could rock it all the way down. First of all, you just start with these candles here going all the way on down here, okay? But then you could rock it all the way down here and retest this very, very easily. Now, when you look at this chart here, you're just at an absolute downtrend. So on the upside, you want to see this key 8 SMA here. That has to be closed above. Now today it went above it, or this week here so far, but it needs to close up here for the week. Now if it can, then you can go to your 21-day, which is 0.6, and then you can go to your 50-day here, which is 0.61, and then you have your 100-day here sitting at 0.63, and then you have your big retest there sitting at 0.64, and then your 200-day sitting right above it at 0.655. But right now you're in a downtrend, so the only way you can reverse this is you got to have to start getting above these key SMAs here. If not, you can retest this very, very easily here. Now here on your daily chart, you can just see here where you just have such a big resistance. Anytime it comes up here, it just puts a spike and it comes right on down here, just like this candle did here. And then you put in a lower high. So let's just see what it can do today here. Right now, this red candle, even though it looks like a red, it's still basically like an indecision candle. So just watch these key levels here on your 21 and your 8 SMA here. That's got to be key support. If not, you're going to retest this very easily. And on the upside, watch that price channel, because that's where you exactly where your target is here, 0.601. That is your key upside resistant level. All right, now let's take a look at a dollar and then the New Zealand dollar side by side. Okay, see, now here is your dollar, and then there's your New Zealand dollar. You can see how this one actually rallied up really nice. It looks very, very strong here. And at the exact same time here, at first week of July here, we come over here. This one rocketed right on down here. Okay, so as long as this dollar is in a strength mode, it looks like the New Zealand dollar is in the sinking kind of a load here. Now, today so far, you have a topping tail here, but you really need to get above that price channel. If you can close above it, then you can go higher here. But again, that's going to be very, very, time will tell kind of a situation. If not, we know all the support levels here. So always look at this here, your regular dollar, New Zealand dollar, complete opposite. So if this rallies, this is going to sell off, and if this rallies, then your dollar will sell off. Okay, thanks for watching.